My bad, chat. They crazy. I don't know what just happened. They hating on a brother, y'all. They hating on a brother, y'all. Freak me. We streaming. My bad. They hating on me, y'all. They hating on me. All right, we got 7 minutes. 7 minutes, baby. Let me get back to my music now. Whew. I ain't gonna lie. That song is really lit. It's litty, y'all. It's litty. But listen, guys, man, there's a lot of ways to make it in trading. You can make it trading your own money. You can make it with prop firm trading. My personality, man, listen, guys, I got funded so many times and only have at least 6 payouts total. Man, it's stressful. Look, let me see, y'all. We got another bear flag right here. Um, so we caught this bear flag. See, this would have been a dope entry instead of like right here. So we got another bear flag right here. That's another one right here. You know, if we can get a drop down, I move my stop. I move my stop down to there, like right here. I put my stop loss like right here. If we can get a push now at 2 o'clock. So, man, let's see if we can get this push. But anyways, like I was saying, trading prop firms is dope because it teaches you how to manage, your money, how to manage your money. But the cons is, man, you gotta be super patient, you know, and you gotta have a job, man. I know a lot of traders talk about working 9 to 5s and quitting their 9 to 5 to trade full time. Man, it's tough, man. It's tough. But for me to be able to fund this account today, with 150, right now I'm up $37 with this account. My goal is to try to at least get like $100. I want to try to double it. If I can focus on doubling it, um, and then I'll be satisfied. As you see up there, over here with P&L, we got 4 minutes until market, until the news. I might take profit right now, because you never know what the news might do. Actually, let's go ahead and do that. Let's let's take it. Let's close that. For $41, guys. $41. I want to see what the news gonna do. So we up $187. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Um, yeah. So let's see what the news gonna do at 2. I didn't know it was news. It's probably gonna continue dropping. Um, so the key is patience, guys. You have to be patient if you want to be a successful trader. You have to be patient. There's no way around it. No way around it. Why is my bro? I thought I switched. So I thought I edited my live stream. This is stupid. It shows live June. Man, that's stupid. But look, y'all just saw me make $41. You know, like I said, I came in with 150. They took $5 freaking commission. That's a lot of commissions. You know, so when you trade forex, you know you want to be careful because those commissions. But my goal is to go back to futures markets anyways. But I like forex because you got more opportunities. You know what I mean? Let's see what GJ doing. Oh, what the freak? My bad. Hold on. Hold on. See, GJ is coming up to a pivot area right here. This is a pivot area. GJ is coming towards that pivot area. So this is why it's not safe, the trade is because it's in between. Now, if it closes, and it comes pull back and then we can find a bear flag, it'd be good for a good trade. But right now, nah, you want to sit out on this one. But I need to figure out why my stuff showing live. Bruh, I swear. Hold on. Oh, my bad. My bad. Let's see what happens. I probably should have stayed in, huh? Freak, why do we keep doing this, man? This is stupid. There we go. So my trade would have been right, guys. So now this is what we're waiting on, right? That's what we're waiting on. We're gonna see the push, and then we're gonna see if we can get a nice little bear flag coming down. We at this level too, so we're gonna see if we can get a one more trade in tonight. And then I will figure out how to work on the other stuff. I just gotta keep going back. Oh, my bad. Y'all don't see it. Damn, 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 damn. My bad, guys. Look, here you go. The market is shooting down. This would have been, I've been up $100 right now, y'all. $100, 100 smoking bucks right now. I should have stayed in, huh? Should have stayed in because I got in all the way up here. Got in all the way up here. Bruh, I would have been at least $100. Oh my gosh. So how do you deal with this? You get out, you made your 40 something bucks a day, right? You get out and you see that the market is continuing with the drop. That's crazy. But hey, them bear flags work, baby. Them bear flags work. So we're gonna see if we can get a pullback. Let's go. Let's drop to the 1 minute real quick and see if there's any. Uh, 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 Come on, man. What's going on? What the freak is freezing on me? Charts freezing, guys. Them charts are freezing, baby. I don't know what's going on right now, man. What the helly? What the helly? Only thing I don't like about this is that you gotta keep doing this bull crap. Like, why? 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 Why do I gotta keep doing this? Hmm? Why do I gotta keep doing this, huh? All right. This Euro USD. Nice little bear flag on the 5 minute right here. If we go to the 15 minute, we can see it clearer. See what's really happening. Look like we're going up though. Look like we want to try to hit this zone right here. That's the 4 hour zone. I don't know where I drew that at. Don't mind all that weird stuff. That's pivots, guys. So this is the mark. These are the pivot areas. All right, this is where we want to head to. I believe this is where your UD is heading. So let's see if we can get a nice entry for UD. I think we're gonna head up there, guys. I think we're gonna head up there. All right, let's drop down to the 15 minutes. Let's see if we can get an entry somewhere. I know there's a lot going on. My bad, y'all. My bad. And if that camera shoot go out, that's my fault. All right, so look like we heading back down to this area. Yep, it's probably dead now. All right, yep. My bad, guys. Y'all can't see my handsome face no more. It's dead. All right, let's go back to G. Let's see what they doing over here. I told y'all. I told you where it went ahead. Look at that push, y'all. Look at that push. They won't let me drop down to a 1 minute, which is crazy. Every time I drop down to a 1 minute, it freezes. What the freak? My bad, man. My bad. My bad. I'm over here, man. I'm over here. I haven't been live in a long time. My bad. I'm over here trying to figure out what's going on. This is GBP NZD, New Zealand dollar. I just made $40 off of this trade. $41. I funded it with $150. So they took a $5 commission. My bad. So I'm looking. He said, I can't hear you. Yeah, here I go, CT. So I this big move down here, I was in the trade up here. And I got out around here because I didn't know news was coming. So I didn't want to, risk it. So I took my $41. So this right here, bro, I probably would have doubled my account, what I mean, with an extra 150 with this big push down. And I knew it was going to shoot down with the bear flag right here. That's why I just trade bear flag with the 21 EMA. Man, but what I'm looking at is this pivot area right here coming down some more. I don't think it's done. I don't think it's over yet. But that's a big push, so I'll just sit here and be patient. Thanks, bro. My goal is not to give it back. Normally I do the prop firms, but man, I'm tired of prop firms. Man. I'm tired of passing evals and never getting to the payout, man. Yeah, yeah. Hey, at $40, guess what I can do with that? Man, I can take my sons to you know, to the freaking movies or something. My camera shut off too, man. I'm Saudi, so you all can't see me either. I did have my camera on and all that, man. So, but tomorrow I'm making sure all my cameras are charged. I'm coming back for the London session. Look like we're shooting up. So I gotta look at Trading View on my phone to see what's happening too, because right now we are heading. This is my liquid charts. So it's their broker using Trading View, but Trading View is way better and different than this. I can't see the daily low. So right now it's reaching the daily low area, but you can't see that on this chart, which is trash. So man, I wouldn't say I'm successful. Man, but how I got into trading, it was this lady. I'm from Ohio, so it was this lady who hit me up on IG and was talking about trading. That was before. That was in 2020, before the pandemic actually like hit. I think it was after Kobe Bryant passed away. So I got in for $100, and then I just disowned her. I blocked her and everything. I said, "Man, this is a scam." Boom, 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 boom. But then I came across Swaggy C. Um, why do you trade other country stocks? Man, because I guess it's the leverage. You know what I mean? Like I trade normally Nasdaq. I trade Nasdaq when I trade the futures market. But I trade. I like trading. GBP, Great Britain dollar. Because Forex, you can come in with 150 and turn that into $1,000. So that's why I like trading other country pairs and stocks, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so Swaggy C got into Swaggy C. So I've been trading for 4 years. Success. If you're not putting a dollar amount on it, I will say I'm successful. Because I went through tears, bro, sweat, just to get to where I'm at. And really, the only person in my way is me. I could pass a prop firm, bro, in like a day or 2, 3 days, with my simple strategy, bear flag. Look at this. I got in a little early over here, right? This is a nice little bear flag under the 21 EMA. Got in. It was choppy, 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 choppy. Now, if I would have waited, till 1:30 or the news was coming, I would have got into here and instantly would have been in profit. But yeah. Yeah, yeah, man. I don't know. I might want to get into this trade going up. Let me see. Because right now we sitting at what's this? The 21 EMA. What EMA is this one then? Hold on, man. See, I told you this stuff be different. This is 20. This should be the 20. It's 21 too. I don't know why. Yeah, Trading View, man. Trading View is way different. That's why because it's on the 1 minute on Trading View. My bad. This is the 5 minute. They won't let me drop down to the freaking 1 minute, bro. Look at this. It's gonna freeze. Like, come on now. These brokers be man. This is why you don't. Hey, this is why you don't trade forex. How does PCG look for tomorrow, possibly? Hold on, real quick, bro. Let me reload my page. PCG, what's that? I'm not familiar with PCG. I'm not familiar with PCG. Man, this market is tripping, man. Come on, man. And then it goes straight to Apple. Like, bro, I'm not trying. Don't hit that one. I'm not trying to sell. Oh no, buddy. Hold on. Yeah, but what's PCG? I'm about to look it up right now. Give me a sec. I'm gonna look it up on my phone though, because I highly doubt that broker's on here. I mean that stock. It seems like it's a stock. P. Is that a stock? Let me look. P. That's why I need two phones. PGE. PG and E. Oh, well, hold on. PG and E. Oh, Pacific Gas and Electric Company. Is that what it is? The gas company? See, man, I can't get into stocks, man. I don't know why. Maybe one day. I tried to do options, and what pissed me off was I wish y'all could see my face. Y'all can see how, man, but my cameras will be ready for tomorrow. But what pissed me off is I was up a lot of money, and I couldn't sell it. I couldn't sell it. That pissed me off, man. Pissed me off. But nah, yeah, I never looked into that. We're trying to see if some shorts coming on right now. Let's see. I might get in for a short. We got a. Let's get in. Let's get in for. Let's go in right here. We gonna do $1. Nothing major. All right, let's see what we can do, y'all. Let's see if we can get some profit going on. Yeah, I've called it right now. Yeah, man, that it's weird. I might dabble into that. Man, well, hold on. Why you up so early? Anyway, I mean, unless you at work, I'm over here like, man, you up? Stock market. That, you can't do nothing until 9:30. Ooh. I want to see if I can get this to 200 tonight. Uh, it's fighting. It's fighting. It's fighting. It's fighting. Come on. Give me my money. It's my last trade for the night. Yo, what up? What up? What up, man? Don't be a fan of me. I'm over here just trying to flip $150, y'all. I'm tired of these prop firms, man, taking my money. Taking my money. But shout out, man. Good lucks, man. I'm about to be, hey, 2 o'clock or 1:30. I won $41 earlier. So that's why I'm going in with a point one lot. So I don't give away all my money I made back. In the past I learned that, man. Like, man, you be up and you want to continue trading, man. That's how I blew most of my freaking funny accounts and never get into a payout. Man, I'm going on 4 years, 4 years, and I think I would have been driving Lambos and let me stop playing. Nah, man. I think what messed me up, man, I would have been like, making a living off of trading if I would have just kept my job. I was doing Uber, Instacart, and trying to, pass these prop firms and but then emotionally, I was messing up, man. Messing up. I only had like 6 payouts. Trash, right? Oh, let's see some. Right now it's fighting, man. It's trying to fight. Nice bear flag. If we can break past this level, we could be going down. If we can just break past this. But look like it want to continue up. What my freaking trend line? The freak, you my trend line. Man, to be honest, experience is one. That's how I enter. But two, man, we see the momentum is bearish. So what I do is catch bear flags and bull flags. And a bear flag is something like similar to this, like this. So what would happen is, see, I got in already because I was looking at it on my phone on a 3-minute chart. So I was already in up here for the 3-minute charts on my phone. But if I was basing off this 5-minute chart, because look at this, they don't let me do anything. In this 1 minute, it'd be freezing. Stupid. But if it would have broke this area right here, I would have got in for a sale. That's how I would get in. I don't know. Hex, nah, I'm nowhere near full time, bro. Nowhere near it. Nowhere near it. Nowhere near it. Ooh, it's gonna get me out, y'all. It's gonna get me out. It's gonna get me out of there. But I should have stayed into this trade though earlier though, man. I waited a whole freaking hour, you know what I mean, for this trade to happen, and it shot straight down. I would have made $150 today, bro. But I made 40. That's better than nothing. I'm about to lose it. Not all of it, but so we gonna close this one. Let's close early. We out of there. I don't like that trade. Sometimes you want to be able to cut your losses also. Um, if you can cut your losses quick, you'll keep yourself from blowing accounts. Yeah, look like we're gonna be shooting back up. Man, I don't know. It might shoot right there. I don't know. The market can do whatever the market want to do, but so I made today. Man, I'm mad. They took $5 off commission, and then when I deposit 150 in this account, man, they charged me $18. I'm like, bruh, nah. I'm gonna have to do it straight through Bitcoin and stuff now for my deposits, cause that's some bull. I'm trying to see where the timer at over here. There's no timer. Let me see if I can put a timer on here. Question period. No. Scale. No. That's weird. What just happened? That was weird. So we got a bear flag right here. Only reason I want to enter because we underneath this EMA. That's a risky trade. So but let me see. I'm about to go on my phone real quick and see it because I can't look at it. Look up the P. Let me see. Damn, I have to log in the trading view. On here, I'm not logged in. Hold on, give me a second. So you can find bear flags on any time frame. You know what I mean? PG. Hold on, what you say? PGE. PGE. I don't know which one it is. PGE. It's showing too many PGEs. It's showing too many. It's showing too many. Oh, PCG. My bad. PCG. Oh, I got it now. All right. Are you a day trader? Cause like if you go on like, man, I'm gonna start bringing people on. There is a bear flag happening right now. Yeah, it's a bear flag, but it's at 1438. It is a bear flag, and it's been selling like, well, it's only 3 minutes, so it pulled back yesterday. Dang, that's a crazy drop. What happened? On the 10th of June, did everybody sell? Dang, what happened to that? Man, like everybody took the money out. You see, guys, my stop loss was above here, right? So technically, I could have stayed in. Technically, I could have stayed in and never got stopped out. But it is what it is. I'm gonna see if I can get one more trade in. If not, we done. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. It want to keep going. We got pivot area right here in this zone. It want to keep going for sure. It want to keep going. Oh yeah, you good, man. To be honest, bro, I don't know. I don't know how it works with options and puts and calls. It take too long, bro. Me personally, options is awesome, and I see a lot of traders who turn $50, $100 into lots of money, man. But I will be trying to figure out futures. Unless you got 25K, you can trade multiple times in a day, in a week. I wouldn't give up on it, but I would focus on futures as well, man. This dude named Patrick Whalen on YouTube, super dope, super dope. Can we get a drop? There you go. But yeah, man, try out futures, man. It won't hurt for sure. Futures, I like it. All right, let's try it one more time. Let's try this one more time. Let's try this one more freaking time. Let's try this one more time. Oh, you in the military? That's why you up at 2:30, man. Check out Patrick, man. Trading. Yeah, I see where I see the dilemma for sure in that. But with futures, you can trade all day long. Not all day long. You can trade any time of the day. So if you are free more, during the evening, well, based off your risk management, um, that's how I stop. So I don't even know for real. I don't know how many pips this is because it's not showing me. It's not showing me anything. So I don't know how many pips it is. But risk management. So if you want to risk, $10 to make 20, you would try to, do it that way. That's how you would do it. I don't know what this market want to do. I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's choppy, but I know I want to shoot down some more. I know it do. I know it do. I know it do. gonna close it. I ain't about to be fooling around with this. Cause the market opened at 3 o'clock, so I'll probably get back up around 6 in the morning, see if I can catch something. But listen, man. Hey, make sure you subscribe, bro. If you got any questions, man, hit me up. I'm about to put my IG down here, man. Hold on. I just dropped my IG. You know what I mean? I can help you out, man. You got any questions, bro? I got you for sure. Got you for sure. Made my $35 a day. So we rolling. We rolling, baby. We rolling.